Welcome back. Well, it's going to be a little bit of a change in the pattern. We felt a little one last night this morning where temperatures dipped down a little bit, and then it warmed up nicely this afternoon. Tonight will be milder than this morning by some 10 degrees. And then as we head into our Tuesday, another warm one, plenty of clouds, some showers, but better rain chances on the way as we head into Wednesday. Perhaps a severe weather threat as well. So let's take a look at the big picture here. What's going to be the culprit? Well, it's our old winter nemesis, the subtropical jet stream, and it can stay active through the first couple of weeks of March. So this is going to introduce a frontal boundary to the region. We had a little front come on through, but again, one with more dynamics and lift, and that means rain chances, but the highest rain chances, the biggest soakings, should be confined to western, central, and northern Louisiana as we move forward. We'll get more to that in just a bit. Meanwhile, you can see where the winter storm path is across the plains through the mid-Atlantic, where anywhere between 5 to 10 inches of snow or more at elevation will be expected. Meanwhile, for us, it's been plenty of cloud cover, but mostly sunny skies. There has been a little smoke in the area as well. There's some local agricultural burning going on and some land clearing, and that smoke across southwestern, western Louisiana getting caught in the air today. So visibility was down to about 5 or 6 miles at a time across portions of Acadiana, and you may have smelled it in the air as well. Not showing much going on radar as we examine the regional Doppler radar. Some action offshore the Texas coast, offshore the Mississippi and Alabama coast, but nothing close to home. Meanwhile, as we look forward to, the Storm Prediction Center has us on Wednesday hatched in for a marginal to slight risk of a few severe storms. Again, this is a level 1, 2 out of 5, so not too terribly high, but the Storm Prediction Center is indicating maybe a couple of mesovortex spin-ups, especially in the area of yellow, that may produce damaging winds, perhaps an isolated tornado. So we'll watch that. Does include St. Landry Parish, so we'll see what the trend is on that outlook through tomorrow. In the near term, it's clouds and fog coming in once again as southerly winds reestablish across the area. Notice tomorrow afternoon, rain and storms southwest, western Louisiana, central Louisiana. Some of those showers kind of ducked down into Acadiana, but just the northern parishes, so it's a tough call on your rain chances. We'll go 30–40% tomorrow, but higher to the north, much lower to the south. We stay on the mild side until this front moves back down. You can see the rain and storms concentrating this time a little bit more out ahead of the front, and then it'll be pushing on through as we head through the afternoon hours. And this is when we'll have to keep an eye on the showers and a few storms going into Wednesday. And then breezy, much cooler for Thursday, getting down into the 40s with highs. Maine maybe only in the 50s, so that is going to be definitely a change. We've been used to the lower 80s over the last week or so. As for rainfall, we can see most of this comes in on Wednesday, a ½ inch to an inch, but look at the much higher amounts as you get into western and central Louisiana, where there could be flooding, training of showers and storms in the days ahead. So we'll watch that for our friends to the north. Near term, it's fog is the issue through tomorrow morning. Again, we'll probably see another dense fog advisory issued at some point, and then we'll see those temperatures mild tonight, and then they'll be still warm tomorrow. But notice the northern part of the state in the 50s. We stay in the 60s tomorrow night, 70s again on Wednesday, 40s, 50s, 60s. That's going to be getting here as we head into Thursday. So another mild night, some fog toward daybreak with a mixture of clouds and almost a full snow moon out there. It'll be officially full on the 12th. And then for tomorrow, we'll see temperatures getting back into the upper 70s. A little sunshine, but clouds are going to dominate more so. South to southwest winds getting a little breezy, feeding into that frontal boundary and all the showers and storms that are going to be to our north tomorrow. And then rain chance really picking up on Wednesday. And then we do have another weather system on Saturday that could lead to maybe another round of strong storms. We'll talk more about that and discuss that more coming up tonight at 10. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.